previously on Meet the Sullivans.
How the hell did this woman find me? Hello. Hey, numbers.
It's a nice spot, this is not nice.
You know, sometimes I wish I had another child, like a younger child.
You ready for something like that?
I had a miscarriage.
And you can always try again.
When I find the right person.
Sometimes the right person, they're right in front of you.
What do you think about this one?
It's nice. If you're going to be in an episode of Bridgerton.
What? You don't like it?
Can you move on, please?
What about this one?
No, too fussy.
I'm a wedding day. Am I supposed to look fussy?
No, this is more.
But look at you. But less is more.
Now this is what I'm talking about.
Kamisha, you realize that's pink, right?
It's magenta.
Kamisha, pink, missy.
Yeah, that's your generation. You guys don't really know colors.
You know you're a little bit and bright?
Just like magenta.
It's alright. You know me like the style? But why pink? Are white people get married in Ghana?
Mom, I hate to break it to you, but only virgins get married in white.
Well, me gonna be a virgin on that day because your father gonna give me back my virginity.
Alright, let's stop right here. She's taking a weird turn.
What kind of weird turn?
I don't want to be talking about your virginity.
I used that's it. After I say I want a white dress.
Look, Mom, it's 2025. People are moving away from the traditional white dress. So they're using more pastel and earth tones. You have to stick with the times. Look at these.
Them nice enough. But me old fashioned.
Get the fashion.
What?
Nothing. Nothing.
Yes, I forget the fashion. All you call me? Come here. I was joking.
Ladies, me get the juice.
Babes, why you reach back so fast?
Daddy.
Hmm?
You don't know for now.
I wear the two on up to.
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
Me not trust so you know.
We were doing girly stuff.
Girl stuff.
Dad. Girly stuff.
Alright. Would I look my wedding dress?
I can't see.
No.
Why?
Hello, sir. It's bad luck to see the bride's dress before the wedding day.
And that's how me hear it. It's bad luck to see the bride in the dress on wedding day. Not the way how you attack.
Same difference whether you see the bride in or out of the dress. You're not supposed to see the dress none at all.
Someone couldn't buy you the dress.
Absolutely not. That's supposed to remain a mystery until you see me at the church.
So what kind of dress you have to buy? One of them just with the long splits up the side. Eh?
With 2 split and the back with cleavage.
That means I'm have to go make the pastor hurry up with the ceremony so that we can.
Hello, old people. I would love to sleep nightmare free tonight.
Oh, you call old people.
As a share our from with you.
You both are. That's for sure.
So you're not gonna get old too.
You can ask her again.
Yes, but not for a long, long, long time.
You stay there, you soon know. So Kamisha, tell me something. You like the place?
Well, yes, but it could do with some interior decoration.
Somewhat.
Homegirl well knowledgeable, but nothing's now, sir.
So you not like it?
Well, it's okay for now, but moving forward, I'll give you some suggestions and colors and furniture.
Furniture. You know, see the place furnished already.
Really? Okay.
Now look for me. I hear that.
Oh, so I'm my daughter now. I know our daughter again.
My daughter tomorrow.
Are you guys disowning me?
No, baby. You will always be daddy's little girl.
And mommy's princess.
So, not even when I get married?
Marwa? How much Mars you talk about? Oh, somebody a talk to you about marriage?
Daddy, calm down. Nobody's talking to me about marriage. I was just asking a question.
Oh, because you're not supposed to talk about no marriage. You're supposed to only talk about me and your mother wedding. Okay? A school you're supposed to talk about. What happened?
You know,